the EV transition is quite important for not just decarbonization, but for job creation opportunities as well. We need new growth sectors in South Africa and in the economy to stimulate growth. There's definitely interest from funders to support this transition, and there's a need for South Africa to contribute to sort of its global commitments in terms of the Paris Climate Agreement, its national contributions to decarbonization, and the low-hanging fruit opportunity is in transportation, scaling that, whether it's for consumers or for businesses. And then once we scale that, we can unlock the sort of localization opportunities, manufacturing opportunities, and supply chain opportunities as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this transition.